Hello and welcome back to another Charter Technologies tutorial. In this video, we're going to cover some of the most common issues and problems that students face when trying to log in to do NWEA testing. Let's begin. To begin, we're going to first go ahead and log in to our Chromebooks. I've already logged in here. Then we're going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. And we're going to go ahead and go to the testing website, which is test.mapnwea.org. You can see it at the top here. And then at this point, we should receive a pop-up. So if I just drag this little window away here, we can see that if you see this oops, where's my test window, that means that the pop-up window failed to show up. You can check in the upper right-hand corner here to see if there is a yellow box or a very small box with a red X on it. You would click that box and just click allow, and the pop-up window should then show up. As you can see, there is an error here that says that the device doesn't meet the testing requirements. This is a common error and one that I put in place on purpose for demonstration. And it says that the minimum screen resolution is not correct. Our screen resolution is 1187 by 667, but 1024 by 768 is required. So this is probably the most common issue that students will face with these, and there's a couple ways we can go about fixing it. The first way is to go to the bottom right here, and we go to Settings, which is the little gear right here. And then on the left-hand side, we click Device. Then we click Displays. And then we scroll down to where we find our display size. So this little bar here, if we hover over it, says we are at 115% of our screen resolution, which is off. So what we want it to be is 100%, which is the default screen resolution. So I believe that is here. And we can see that we're at 100%. So now that we are at 100% screen resolution, we can go ahead and close our settings window, close the NWEA error box, and then we can refresh the page here. That'll reopen the pop-up, and now our error is gone, and we can go ahead and proceed to log in to NWEA. Another way that we can fix the screen resolution error is with keyboard shortcuts. So if you hold down the Control key and the Shift key at the same time, and while holding both of those keys down, press the 0 button, it will send our screen resolution back to normal. And then we refresh. The error is fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen resolution error. And it tells you the error when you get it. So another thing I would recommend is to go to this website to check and make sure that your Chromebook meets all of the system requirements. And so that would be check.nwea.org. And this website will do a quick scan over your device to make sure that all of the requirements are met for that device to work properly for testing. So it checks things such as operating system, what web browser you are using. I highly recommend Google Chrome if you're not using a Chromebook. Things like JavaScript and cookies, you can ignore those. Those are generally problems you won't run into. Resolution here. So again, if I change the screen resolution and then we refresh the page here, we can see that we received an error and that the machine failed the check. And then you scroll down and you see which part of the check was failed. And we can see resolution was failed. So then we can just hit Control-Shift-0 and then refresh the page. And our resolution then checks out. Things in the center here, things like testing, administration, accommodations. If any of these three are errors, definitely reach out to your teacher. Things like bandwidth. If the bandwidth fails, unfortunately, that's your home internet issue. And there's not really much that can be done about it other than either connecting to a different Wi-Fi network somewhere else or calling your internet service provider to see what's going on. If you receive an operating system error here, generally what that means is that the version of the Chrome browser is out of date, or you're using a very old version of like Windows XP or something like that. To check and see and fix version problems, in the upper right hand corner, we can click the three little dots in the Chrome window, and then we go down to Help, and then we click About Google Chrome. Then here in the center, we can see that we are on version 85.0.4. Blah 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 here. NWEA requires a minimum version of, I believe, 77. So if your version is not in the 80s, and you have the option to check for updates, usually around here, or you can click the Chrome OS settings right here, and it'll check for updates. So we click check for updates, and if your Chromebook is up to date, it'll tell you you're up to date. If it says you're not up to date, it'll begin downloading an update. Once that's finished, just restart your Chromebook, and that error should go away. Those are the two most common problems with NWEA. Another common problem is like freezing, where the window is just pure white, or it doesn't progress to the next screen. Most of the times, if you just click like refresh on the page, that'll fix a lot of that. Otherwise, reach out to your teacher, who will then reach out to your tech support person, and hopefully we can get those issues resolved. This has been another Charter Technologies tutorial. Thanks for watching.